Hello, thank you for tuning into this brief video. This brief video is about my one-to-one online art classes that are available. Now, if you're tuning into this video, you may already know that I am an artist. But in short, I've been passionate about art since I can remember. It's always been my dream to be an artist, and also I also wanted to work in fashion as well. So when I was younger, I did go to art college and I studied fashion, and then I worked for many years in London as a visual merchandiser and stylist for lots of top brands, and that was a really wonderful and unique experience. But I found in the last number of years that I've really been focusing more on my art and mindfulness and yoga, and really developing that side of my creativity, because I found it really resonated definitely with me. But enough about me. I just wanted to give you a brief introduction. But just in short, my art is generally inspired by nature and mindfulness and mandalas and things like that, but lots of nature inspired art. That is definitely the cornerstone. But what I'm offering is classes for beginners, intermediate and advanced. So beginners will get the opportunity to if they book one lesson, it's obviously a very basic lesson on whatever scale, coupled with creativity for the soul. But if they want a couple of classes, I will create a tailored program for them, so that they can start with the foundation of drawing and then develop into starting to see what their visual voice is, and learning that through mindfulness activities and tailored art activities for them. For the intermediates, I will make tailored lessons developed around their creative needs. Obviously, as this is art for the soul art classes, that will be in the art lessons, but it will be around their individual needs, learning about how to bring mindfulness into their art practice, or how to bring meditation or spiritual practices and spiritual art into their work. Now for the advanced, it would be quite similar to the intermediates. We'll be creating tailor-made lessons for them, but it will be more around them developing their signature style as artists, because they will have come on quite a journey to get to this stage. And I am sure, as I would be, I'd be keen to get to a point where I'm creating my own unique style of art. And even now I still feel like that's a class I would take myself. So that's basically it of what we can offer, but the grounding for all of this is that there are activities, especially for beginners, that are stress relieving and learning about how to deal with anxiety with art relaxation techniques, and like bringing mindfulness and creativity together. Because sometimes when you go out and try to use these meditation or these kind of things, they can be quite overwhelming. So using them with art is a nice way to make an activity while still learning about relaxation and learning about ourselves as well. So that's it. And these classes cost €30 per hour, and basically to book them, you just email me and we will set up a consultation. The consultation is around 10 minutes and that's free. If you're booking a group of classes, the consultation will probably be a bit longer, and that's okay, and that's also free. And so yes, that's it really. That's all I have to say about the classes. I hope that's something that sparks your interest. I will leave a video link below this video, and of course there is video links on my website. But if you want not a video link but an email link, should I say, an email link below this video. And also, if you want to just email me, it's carol.artist@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. I hope this is of interest of you, and if it's not, Feel free to enjoy my video content and Instagram posts. I'm always posting and creating something to share with you guys. Have a really great day. Bye for now. Bye.